Now our next seminar will be presented by Ms. Bubbly, so let's welcome her.
Good morning all. My name is Bubbly Palai. First of all, thank you ma'am to give me this opportunity. I am ready a presentation on topic hard disks. Hard disk introduction. It is a storage device that allows magnetical platters to store data, instructions and information. एटा गोटे प्रकार मैग्नेटिक प्लेटर्स गुड़ा थाए हार्ड डिस्क रे जोथिरे आमे डाटा आउ बहुत प्रकार इन्फॉर्मेशन को स्टोर करके रखि पारु. It is also as a hard drive or fixed disk. Fixed disk एटा कान कोजे काहे ना आगरो हमर गोटे पुराना रे थिला फ्लॉपी डिस्क पारथला सेथिरे बट एटा को काढिबा दरकार नै ए पूरा फिक्स है कि कंप्यूटर सहित आसे तो तेणु आम फिक्स डिस्क कहले. It has a storage capacity from 40 GB to 1.5 TB and more. 40 GB ରୁ 1.5 TB माने 40 GB ରୁ 1.5 TB पर्यंत कि तार अधिक भी स्टोर कर पारे डाटा को. It is an internal or external computer component. इंटरनल रे भी अटैच है और एक्सटर्नली हम आपको केबल सहित भी अटैच कर पारेगा. What is hard disk drive? Definition: a non-volatile magnetic storage device also a storage and retrieve digital data permanently. ये डाटा गुड़ा को permanently स्टोर करके रखे पारे. Up to power of propose stores the operating system, application, file, photo, video, even when power off is power off. Key metrics: capacity measured in GB to TB. Physical components: platters, circular magnetic disks where the data is stored. Spindles rotate the platters at a high speed, typically 5,400 to 7,200 RPM. Right head moves heads across platters, controls boards, manage communication with a computer. This is a hard disk picture. How a hard disk work? Hard disk को प्रकार वर्क करे. Data storage magnetic patterns or platters. Platters spin while read write headers move above them without touching. And data is organized and clusters that controller translators from the internal hard disk. Internal hard disk instead installed inside desktop laptop. External HDD portable concept connects by USB. Uh, uh, inter interface high reliability for servers. Hybrid HDD combines HDD with small SSD chips for speed. HSD versus SSD. And features: storage medium, magnetic platters, SSD fast memory chip, speed slower 80 to 160 MB per second. SSD faster 500 to 7,000 MB per second. Durability: mechanical platters can fail no moving platters or durable. Low cost of TB, high cost of TB. Noise, produce noise and vibration. SSD is silent. Advantage of HDD. High storage capacity up to 20 TB plus available. Cost effective, cheapest storage per GB. Long term storage good for achieving large data. A limitation of HDD, slow access speed compared to SSD. Uh, he- fragile, sensitive to physical shock and vibration, noise and heat. Mechanical parts generated heat and sound. Power computer higher than SSD. Computer uses personal common uses. Personal computer for operating system and file storage, centers, block data storage and backup, consoles, large game libraries. Conclusion HDD remains important for high capacity, low cost storage. Um, HDD को non-volatile storage HDD को non-volatile storage ଏଥିପାଇଁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି କାହିଁକିନା ସେ ଯଦି ଆମର ପାୱାର ଅଫ୍ ହେଇଯାଏ ତ ଆମ ଡାଟା ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ସେ ସେଭ୍ ରଖିଥାଏ।